Okay guys, let me show you how to deposit money into your roqqu wallet and at the same time buy Tron on your roqqu wallet and transfer it to Token Pocket. So this is what you do. Now when you come to your roqqu wallet, first thing you want to go to the down. You can see on the right, the down, you see settings. Click on the settings, come to account. You can see account. Click on the account, add your bank account, the bank you use in transferring money. Add the bank account here, your bank name, your account number. They will give you a box where you can add, like for example, let me just click this add bank. You see they say select bank. I will select the bank. If I'm using GTB guarantee or whichever bank I'm using in Nigeria, I'll select it. Then I'll go back, I'll put my account name, the name on my account, then my account number, then I'll save it. So automatically it will show here like this. You see my Guarantee Trust Bank, my account number, and my name. So when I'm done with that, the next thing I need to do is go to my overview. You can see on the last down on your right, on your left. So overview, when you've done that, now I need to deposit money into my roqqu. Very, very important. So I can't buy anything in roqqu if there's no money on my roqqu account. So what I need to do is click on the deposit. When I click deposit, I will type how much I want to deposit from my bank. I can say, okay, for example, I want to deposit 10,000 naira. It will show me how much I'm going to get in dollars, which is USD, $21. That's what I'm going to get. So I'll click proceed. So when I click proceed, it will say it is completely free to deposit any amount to your roqqu wallet. Card processing fee has been eliminated. So you click proceed. So when you click proceed, you see bank transfer and debit card. Most time I advise people go on bank account. So now you can see they gave me 2 account numbers. These 2 accounts that is given to me, I can send money to it from my bank. Do you get it? From my bank. So that is it. I can send money to this account. So what I will need to do is either I screenshot these account numbers or I click and hold. Because I'm using iPhone, it will do automatic copy. You see account number has been copied to clipboard. It's because I'm using iPhone. But if you are not using iPhone, Android users, just screenshot this account number. It's your personal account number. So what you need to do is you can go to your bank app. When you go to your bank app, you go to, if you have, like me, I'm using GTB. So this is GTB. So I'll go to my GTB account, put in my password, whatever my password is, then log in. Just like the same way I send money to people, or you send money to people, you want to send money to your family. So that is how you're going to send money to that roqqu account you copied. Send money to that roqqu account from your app. Then the next thing you need to do is go back to your roqqu. Automatically the money will appear in your balance. When the money is in your balance, what you want to do is go to buy. Now you want to buy Tron since the money has reflected on your account. You click instant buy. You go to TRS, which is Tron, this red one, TRS Tron. Click it, type in the amount you want to buy. For example, you sent 10,000, you put in 10,000, you want to buy 10,000 worth of Tron. You go to proceed. Now you can see TRS at 12.2. That is 1 Tron. That is per Tron. 1 is 12 naira 02 kobo. So what you have to do next is, I don't even have money now. It will show me that I can proceed. Now what you have to do is their service charge 200 naira for that is Tron. That is 10,000 naira you buy. So your 10,000 naira worth of Tron, you are going to get 815 Tron. 815.35358 TRS Tron. Then if I have enough funds on my account, definitely to tell me to put in my password and proceed. When I'm done with that, automatically if I come to my Tron here, if I scroll down, I will see the amount of Tron I have bought. It will reflect here. So what I need to do if I want to send the Tron out to my roqqu wallet, I say roqqu, that is a token pocket, I'll click on the Tron. I will see send, receive. So I'll go to send. Do you understand? You can see send is telling me to put in an address. So I have to copy my token pocket address and paste it here. So I have to go back to token pocket, is token pocket, click it. Then I'll go to receive. Since I'm on Tron, you can see, make sure that it's always on Tron. Very, very important. Make sure that anytime you want to do transfer to any of those cryptocurrencies, make sure it is the cryptocurrency that is on your dashboard. Like now, it's Tron that is on my dashboard. You can see TROS is showing how much I have on Tron. So I can click it as well and go to receive down here. You can see receive on the last right on your down. You can click on the receive. So it will show you this address, this small box here, like what you did yesterday. You copy it, the one you sent to me. So you copy it, then you go to your roqqu wallet, paste it here. When you paste it here, now you put in the amount of Tron you want to send to your token pocket. So if you want to send all the balance that is on your roqqu wallet, all you need to do is click this balance. You can see balance down. When you click it, automatically it will put in all the amount you have on your roqqu wallet, that is the Tron you have on your roqqu wallet. Then you go to proceed. You get, when you click proceed, if I add money, it will go to the next page. So when I click proceed, automatically it will tell me to put in my password or whatever and transfer. When I'm done with that, automatically the money will reflect on my token pocket. So I'll see the money here. The money will reflect. Do you understand? The money will reflect automatically on my token pocket. So I can go ahead, go to my DApp and activate my next level, which I've taught you guys already. So that is it for now.